Hey everyone, welcome back to the Sure Lock and Key channel. If you insert the key into your ignition but it won't turn, you might be puzzled about the issue. Although there are several possible causes, the great news is that most solutions are simple to try, so you'll likely be back on the road quickly. Sometimes, slightly pulling the key out can make it turn. Try gently wiggling the key back and forth while turning it to start the car. You can also slide the key in and out a few times to dislodge any debris in the ignition cylinder. Method 1. Quick fixes. Pull the key out slightly. If your key is wearing out, try inserting it fully, then pull it back slightly and turn it. If it works, you'll need a new key soon. Clean the key. A dirty or greasy key won't engage the ignition pins. Clean it with warm, soapy water and a toothbrush. Wiggle the key. Gently wiggle the key up and down while turning it. If this works, the key is too worn and needs replacing. Slide the key in and out. Insert and remove the key several times to clear debris from the ignition cylinder. If the problem persists, the ignition cylinder might be failing. Method 2. Transmission and key issues. Wiggle the shifter. Ensure your automatic transmission is in park or neutral. Wiggle the shifter while trying to start the engine. Inspect the key. Check for bends, cracks, or excessive wear. If damaged, get it replaced at a dealership. Double-check you're using the correct key. Method 3. Steering wheel and ignition issues. Move the steering wheel. If the steering wheel is locked, move it back and forth while turning the key to unlock it. Use canned air. Clean the ignition port with canned air to remove dirt or dust. Use the electrical cleaner. If the ignition cylinder is seized, use a small amount of electrical cleaner in the key hole. Replace the ignition cylinder. If nothing works, have a mechanic replace the ignition cylinder. This might require a new key. And remember, for all your key-related needs, Sure Lock and Key has you covered. Whether it's key replacement, key repair, or emergency assistance when you're locked out, our expert team is here to provide prompt and reliable service. For more information, visit our website or call us. Be sure to like this video, subscribe to our channel for more home and vehicle security tips, and hit the bell icon to stay updated with our latest content.